know say you a very fine girl. Hi.
Thank you.
Well, you go give me your number, make I dey call you once now, Abi.
No. I can't give my number to a stranger.
You know if you give your number to stranger?
Yes, I don't. Sorry.
This one will me self can carry stranger for.
Okay. I'll give you.
I'm gonna call the number.
070
070 231 945. You give me a number when no exist.
Yeah! Reza.
I did hear you.
081
081 254 396 02. Let me they call you. When we come out from the water, 7. I'm gonna write water boy.
Clap for Jesus.